Today we're looking at a Clipper AGM 224. This unit has two 24-inch screens. It's a very nice unit. This unit has 3 degrees of separation. You have your larger screen, which is your scalpings, your smaller screen, which is your siftings, and then we have the air wash here. See, that blows out your lighter particles. This unit was last used in white corn. Note that this machine is on the shipping pallet here, so it is a little shakier than usual. Once this machine is on the deck, it'll even out. This unit has ball trays under the screen for continuous cleaning action. This keeps your screens from blinding. As I said, this machine was used in white corn last. This unit has a 30 round hole screen and a 113 by 1/2 screen in the shoe. We will cut to an open view of the shoe now with the machine off. Here is a look inside the machine. You can see it is dusty and dirty, but that does not affect the operation of the unit. The balls on the unit are in good shape overall. The unit has a 30 round in the top and a 113 by 1/2 screen in the bottom. This unit was last used in white corn. This machine has a inlet height of 63 inches to the top of the hopper. The hopper has variable flow, as you can see here. We just adjust the rack and pinion. It adjusts the flow out of the hopper. The unit has a shaking conveyor under the hopper for continuous feeding action. We have your siftings discharge here and your scalpings discharge here, and you have your clean seed product coming out here. This discharge is 48 inches, so a good height here from the bottom of the grain cleaner to the bottom of the auger here. You can see that this unit has a plastic screw in it for good, gentle handling of the product. This unit also has a 2-way sacking valve. This valve has been deformed a little bit here. You could pound that out with a hammer. Nothing to hide with the unit. Previous owner removed that and was just sacking out of the auger as you see it here. We can only run this unit one motor at a time, but this unit can also be ran on a small generator. See there, we're using it on our portable generator. So this unit can be used as a portable. You could just simply put it on a rack wagon and do bin run rye and cover crops, things of that nature. This unit will excel at cleaning soybeans, corn, wheat, rye, and all of your mainstream crops. This unit has a usable capacity of about 30 to 50 bushel per hour, depending on your crop contamination. We're going to go ahead and shut down the cleaner now and run the sacking auger for you, or the clean grain auger. I wanted to note, as this unit is used, that the SO cable does have some cuts and some nicks in it. I want to be perfectly upfront with this unit. It is in used condition, but it is serviceable. This unit also has the air dampers here. You just simply loosen this nut here on either side, and then you can lower the air stream of the unit for precision cleaning. Here you can see we have the auger running. A very nice, quiet running auger, running as it should. This unit is completely single phase. It has approximately 30 foot of extension cord there and approximately 15 feet of cord here for running the unit. This unit has on and off switches. Forgot to mention that. On and off switch there, and on and off switch here. The unit just hums right along, runs as it should. Here's a look at the data tag of this unit. Just a good small cleaner here. It's dusty and dirty, nothing to hide with the unit, but this unit just came in off the truck. We wanted to get it out and let you guys see it run. This unit's readily available. Please call us today for anything for shipping and handling details. Thank you for watching.